Before we get into the video, I want to shout out 3 channels. First off, Yosemite Prepper. I already thanked him for all the people that he sent over to my channel. But just recently, he called into Marfoogle News, which all the channels will be linked in the description and in the cards, and talked about prepping and shout out me and another young prepper, Yosemite Prepper. I think he is 18, but he just got to 1,000 subscribers, so congratulations, Yosemite Prepper. And also, let's try to get Yosemite Prepper to, let's say, 1,500 subscribers. So, yeah, go and visit his channel. So, now let's just get right into the update. So, here's my garden. So, here are my radishes. They're starting to flower, so I'm probably going to pick them right after. And if you know about radishes or anything, please comment below, because mine haven't really been growing tall or really expanding, and their leaves growing a lot. So if you know anything about radishes, comment below. Here are my beets. They look like they're doing pretty well, but yeah. Here's a basil. I transplanted it from a pot because it wasn't doing that well. Now it's doing better. Here's a little pepper sprout. I don't think I'm probably going to get anything from that because it's so late in the season. And also, if this video gets to 800 likes, I'm going to do a harvest video of me harvesting all this stuff. So yeah. Also, if you're curious about what do I do when I go away, I use this. This is like an automatic watering system. I don't use it all the time, so not that lazy. Here's a pot of basil. This basil's doing really good, so I'm excited. Peppermint, it's starting to go to flower. We haven't really used it, but we're probably going to start using it a lot. We have my fig tree. Also, if you don't see anything from the last garden videos, it's probably because, it's because it died. My other fig, it sadly died. I don't know why. It was probably the heat, I'm guessing. So, also the cucumber's not there because it died. So, this is my tomato plant. We bought it. We didn't grow it from seed. But we already got 2 tomatoes from it, and it's just really good. So this I did grow from seed. This is also everything else except the tomatoes and basil I grew from seed. So this zucchini, this is doing so good. There's so many flowers, all that stuff. Also, I've been trying to trim it back because it's sort of getting in the way of the beans. And the beans are flowering. They are doing pretty well, it looks like. I've been trying to trellis them a little. So, yeah. Also, there's the wood pile. We have been collecting wood and processing it to add for winter because, I don't know, I have a feeling that winter could be a little bad, and if this virus, because I can't say it on YouTube, stays around, then could be pretty bad. So we're preparing because we have a fireplace, and it's just really good to have some extra wood because you can burn through it really fast. A lot of people think this may be a little excessive, but it's not. Also, we have been getting a lot of free wood from Facebook Marketplace, or you could go on Craigslist, or just go to your neighborhood. It is it's just, you could get so much free wood. Obviously, you may have to process it, but if you have a splitter or an axe. So, please smash that like button and subscribe to Yosemite Prepper. Share out our videos so we can grow. Go check out Yosemite Prepper, Yosemite Prepper, and Marfoogle News. Links will be in the description and in the cards. Go follow me on Instagram. I haven't really shouted out the Instagram yet, but it's still crazy that I'm over 50 followers. Also, go follow me on Twitter and Pinterest. So, Happy Prepper out.